Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will solve the remaining parts of exercise 1.2. Let's have a start. Part 6. Here we have to solve this with using quadratic formula. What is the value of A? A is equal to 3, B is equal to 8 and C is equal to 2. What is the quadratic formula? Quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Putting the value of a, b and c, x is equal to minus 8 plus minus under root of 8 square minus 4 into 3 2 divided by 2 into what is the value of a is 3. So x is equal to minus 8 plus minus under root 64 minus 24 over 6. X is equal to minus 8 plus minus under root, it will be the 40 over 6. So we can write it minus 8 plus minus under root of 40. We can write it 4 multiplied by 10. Okay, so if we will take the under root, minus 8 plus minus, it will becomes 2 under root 10 over 6. Okay, x is equal to minus 8 plus minus 2 under root 10 over 6. Will take the common 2, so it will becomes minus 4 plus minus under root 10 over 6. 2 3s are 6. Okay, so x is equal to minus 4 plus minus under root 10 over 3. This is the solution set. This is the solution set of this equation. Now we'll move towards part number 7. Here first we will convert it into the standard form. For standard form we will take the LCM of left hand side, x minus 6 into x minus 5. Okay, this 3 into x minus 5 minus 4 into x minus 6. We can write it as 1 over 1. Okay, this 3x minus 15 minus 4x plus 24 divided by multiply here x square minus 5x minus 6x plus 30 is equal to 1 over 1. Here it will be the minus x plus 9 minus x plus 9 over x square minus 11x plus 30 is equal to 1 over 1. We use cross multiplication. Here minus x plus 9 is equal to x square minus 11x plus 30. Here it will be x square minus 11x plus 30 plus x minus 9 is equal to 0. This one is x square minus 10x minus 10x plus 21 is equal to 0. Now it is in standard form, ax square plus bx plus c. So what is the value of a? Value of a is 1, value of b is equal to minus 10 and value of c is equal to 21. So we use the quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Putting the value of a, b and c, what is the b? The value of b is 10 plus minus under root minus 10 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 21 divided by 2 into a is equal to 1. Here a value of a is 1. Okay, this one x is equal to 10 plus minus 100 minus 84 divided by 2. This x is equal to 10 plus minus under root 16 over 2. This x is equal to 10 plus minus 4 over 2. So here x is equal to 10 plus 4 over 2 and x is equal to 10 minus 4 over 2. This x is equal to 14 over 2. 2 7s are 14. This x is equal to 6 over 2. 2 3s are 6. So 7 and 3 are the solution set of this equation. Now we'll move towards part number 8. First we will convert it into the standard form. So we will take the LCM of left hand side. This 2x into x minus 1, 2x into x plus 2 minus x minus 1 into 4 minus x. Okay, so 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 over 3. Okay, this one is 2x square plus 4x minus, we will multiply 4x minus x square minus 4 plus x divided by this 2x square minus 2x is equal to 7 over 3. So here 2x square plus 4x minus 4x plus x square plus 4 minus x. Okay, this one plus 4x with minus 4x, 2x square minus 2x is equal to 7 over 3. This 3x square minus x plus 4 over 2x square minus 2x is equal to 7 over 3. We use cross multiplication method. 9x square minus 3x plus 12 is equal to 14x square minus 14x. Okay, so here 14x square minus 14x minus 9x square plus 3x minus 12 is equal to 0. It will be 5x square minus 11x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now it is in standard form. So what is the value of a? The value of a is 5 and the value of b is minus 11 and the value of c is minus 12. So what is the quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. So putting the value of a, b and c, x is equal to, what is the value of b? Minus 11 plus minus under root b square minus 11 square minus 4. What is the value of a? Is 5, and the value of c is minus 12. Okay, this one is 2 into 5. Here x is equal to 11 plus minus 121 and plus 240, okay, divided by 10. So here x is equal to 11 plus minus 361 divided by 10. Okay, x is equal to 11 plus minus, this will be the square root, it will be the 19 over 10. So x is equal to 11 plus 19 over 10, and x is equal to 11 plus 19 over 10. This is x is equal to 30 over 10. 10 3s are 30, and x is equal to, this one is minus 8 over 10. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are, so x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 4 over 5. This 3 and minus 4 over 5 are the solution set of this equation. Now we'll move towards ninth part. Here first we will convert it into the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c. So we will take the LCM of left hand side, x minus b into x minus a, this a and 2 x minus a plus b into x minus b is equal to, we can also write it 2 over 1. Okay, so here ax minus a square plus bx minus b square divided by x square minus ax minus bx plus ab. Just multiplication, simple multiplication method. Here 2 over 1. So we will use cross multiplication method. Here ax minus a square plus, sorry, here ax, only x, ax minus a square plus bx minus b square is equal to 2x square minus 2ax minus 2bx plus 2ab. Here, okay, so we will move 2x square minus 2ax minus 2bx plus 2ab minus ax plus a square minus bx plus b square is equal to 0. Here 2x square, this one 2x square minus 2ax and minus ax, it will be minus 3ax minus 2bx and minus bx, it will be the minus 3bx. So this one is plus a square plus b square plus 2ab equal to 0. So here 2x square will take common here minus x, so it will be 3a plus 3b, 3 also common, 3x will take the common minus 3x minus 3 minus 3x is, no, it is better that we will take common only this one only the x, because we have to make the x square ax square plus bx plus c. So therefore we'll take x here only 3a plus 3b. This one is a square plus b square plus 2ab. It can also be written as a plus b whole square. This a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now it is in the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here what is the value of a? We can say that the value of a is equal to 2, and value of b is the coefficient of x. Value of b is 3a plus 3b, and value of c is equal to a plus b whole square. This is minus, okay, because this one in standard form it is plus, so it's minus 3a plus 3b. So what is the quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. So putting the value of a, b and c, here x is equal to, what is the value of b? The value of b is minus, here value of b is minus 3a plus 3b, okay. So plus minus under root b square. B square is, what is the value of b square? B square is minus 3a plus 3b whole square, this minus b square. What is the 4, and what is the value of a? A is 2 and c is a plus b whole square, okay. So divided by 2a, what is the value of a? Is 2 into 2. So here x is equal to, it will be a 3a plus 3b plus minus under root, okay. So it will be, it can also be written as minus 3 whole square a plus b square minus 4 2s are 8 into a plus b whole square divided by 4. This one, it can also be written as a plus b plus minus, it will becomes 9 minus 8, so it will becomes only the a plus b whole square over 4, okay, because this is the coefficient of a, which means this one 3, 9 a plus b whole square and minus 8 minus 9, so it will be 1, and a plus b is a whole square, okay. So x is equal to, here 3 into a plus b plus minus this, it will be 2 with this square root, so it will become only a plus b over 4. So here x is equal to 3 into a plus b plus a plus b over 4, and x is equal to 3 into a plus b minus a minus, sorry, this one is b, a plus b over 4. This 3 plus 2 is equal to 4 into a plus b over 4, and this is equal to, x is equal to 3 minus 1, this we can say that is 1, so it will be 2 into a plus b over 4. 2 2s are 4, here 4, so this one is a plus b, and we can also 1 over 2, we can also write it 1 over 2 into a plus b are the solution set of this equation, okay. Now we'll move towards the last part of question number 1, exercise 1.2. Let's have a start. Here we will, this one is, we will rearrange it is minus Lx square means Ax square plus Bx, where is plus Bx is here is 2L plus M x, okay, and here minus L plus M. This one is the C is equal to 0. It's better that we will multiply minus 1 on both sides, so it will become Lx square minus 2L plus M into x plus L plus M is equal to 0. Now this Ax square plus Bx plus C, so value of A here, value of A is L and the value of B is minus 2L plus M and value of C is L plus M, okay. Here, so using quadratic formula, what is quadratic formula? X is equal to minus B plus minus under root B square minus 4AC over 2A. So putting the value of A, B and C, here X is equal to minus, what is the value of B is minus 2L plus M, okay, plus minus under root B square. B square means minus 2L plus M square minus 4, and what is the value of A? A is L, and what is the value of C is L plus M, divided by 2 into what is the value of A is L, okay. So here X is equal to this one 2L plus M, because minus will be multiplied with minus, it will become plus, minus here this minus 1 it can be considered minus 1, so it will be 2L plus M whole square minus 4L square minus 4LM, okay, divided by 2L, okay. So X is equal to 2L plus, okay, so this one 2L plus M plus minus this one is A plus B whole square, this one is A square 4L square plus M square plus 4LM, okay, this one minus 4L square minus 4LM divided by 2L. This one will be cancelled with this one will be cancelled with this one, either minus, either it will be cancelled. So here X is equal to 2L plus M plus minus this one is M square over 2L, okay. So M square, here X is equal to 2L plus M plus minus this M square, this square root will be cancelled, only it will becomes only M divided by 2L. So X is equal to 2L plus M over 2L, and X is equal to 2L plus M minus M over 2L. So here X is equal to 2L plus 2M over 2L, and this one X is equal to 2L over 2L. This one will be cancelled with 2L, so it will be X is equal to, here we will take common L plus M over 2L, this will be cancelled with this one, so here X is equal to 1. So these are L plus M over L and 1 are the solution set of this equation, okay. In our next lecture, we will discuss different equations which will be reduced in quadratic form. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.